Hello dear students, we have the next question to go with. We can easily move our hand in air, but to do the same through a solid block of wood, we need a karate expert. Why? Why do we need a karate expert? So here actually we have three different questions. First question is, we can easily move our hand. So why we can easily move our hand in air? What is the reason? Second, but to do the same through a solid block, we need karate expert. So second thing is, why the other people, they cannot move their hand through the solid block? And then the third question arises, that why a karate expert can do it so? So let us try to understand these 3 points. We can easily move our hand in air because air particles have maximum interparticle gaps. So the interparticle gap between the air particle is very much, and the force of attraction is negligible or very less. I think I have not mentioned here. I should mention. And interparticle force of attraction. Sorry. Yes. See, the interparticle force of attraction is negligible or very less. Interparticle force of attraction, so I think I have mentioned interparticle force of attraction here. So when we move our hand, particles of gas move away easily and we can move our hand through the gas. But we cannot move our hand through solid block of wood because in solids, we have high interparticle force of attraction and interparticle gap is minimum. So in solids, very high force of attraction or almost zero interparticle gap. Particles of solid do not move easily. So when we try to pass our hand through block of wood, we cannot do it because the force of attraction is very high and particles of block of wood will not move. But a karate expert can move his hand with a great speed. You know, karate people, they can move their hands with a great speed or great velocity. So with very high kinetic energy, you know, when very great speed, then very high kinetic energy. Thus, the collision between the hand and the block of wood is strong enough actually to overcome the force of attraction between the particles of solid. A karate person throws or collide his hand with the block of wood with such a huge kinetic energy that the interparticle force of attraction between the particles of block of wood is simply overcome. So the block of wood is broken. So karate expert breaks the block of wood and his hand can move through easily. So this is how we can understand about it. Then the next one, we get the smell of perfume several meters away. Why do we get the smell of perfumes several meters away? Particles of smell of perfume are in the gaseous state. So they have high kinetic energy and they can diffuse in the air very fast. They can travel long distances due to high kinetic energy. Thus, smell of perfume can be got sitting several meters away. So gaseous particles, you know, smell of perfume, they are gases, they have very high kinetic energy, they can go long distances, and this is how we can understand the why the perfume smell can be felt from along distances. This is the definition of density. So please keep in your mind that the mass per unit volume of a substance is called density. Please try to learn it. The mass per unit volume of a substance is called density, or we can say that density is equal to mass divided by volume. I hope, my dear students, you are enjoying. Happy learning.